Hey, what's up guys? This is Mark Lazanera and I am showing you today my final project for the spring semester COP 2010 Visual Basic Programming class. And I hope you like my background. I just got it last night. It's pretty cool, right? Pretty cool. So here's Visual Studio preloaded because it takes forever and I didn't want you guys to wait. This is my design tab and here is my form with all the beautiful code in it. So let's start at the design tab, and let me explain to you that this game is called Sky Battle. It basically is a variation to Space Invaders, a really popular arcade classic game. I basically wanted to recreate it in my own way just to learn how they make these kind of games, and it was quite the learning experience. It was really fun actually. Um, it's the same concept. There's monsters or aliens or what have you coming at you, and the objective of the game is to just shoot them all down before they reach you or reach past you, because then you'll lose. So since I'm a G, I went ahead and just won the game because I am a G like that. So let's go ahead and close that program. So that's basically how the game runs right now. Um, So before we get into the code, just so you know what I refer to, these are the troll faces, the pick troll face box or what picture box, and these are all actually picture boxes. This is the beam. I actually made this in Photoshop, and here is the spaceship. Um, I got the spaceship and the troll faces from Google. They're PNGs from Google, but I made this one in Photoshop. So yep, spaceship, beam, and trolls. So let's go straight into the code. So obviously you have to get all the variable declarations. Um, the ship going up, ship going down, its speed, the beam speed, the troll speed, all that good stuff. I'm actually going to start by explaining the arrays in my project. So I declared an array here, constant num of trolls as integer equals 8, and trolls in parentheses num of trolls as picture box. So it's basically an array of picture box with size 8. And the code down here, I actually used a subroutine. I used a lot of subroutines, as you can see here, because I just like to code with subroutines. They're really organized and professional looking. So I load the trolls in here into the array, and these basically correlate with these. So in the case that I want to add another one, I could just make a ninth one, come in here in the code, change the size up here to 9, and then add another one down here. So it's that easy. Um, the so yeah, that's the array that I used in my project, and with that I also used a loop, a for loop. With the help of the array, it made it a lot easier for me to control the movements of the trolls going up and down and then closer to the spaceship. Um, the for loop with the array allowed me to not have to hard code for every single picture box here. I'm sorry. Didn't mean to do that. For every single picture box here, just one good code right here that runs for all of them. So, yep, that was pretty cool, I thought. And then another interesting thing that I learned from doing this project was the hit detection. Basically, what happens when this picture box collides with this picture box? They both disappear because obviously you shot it down. So that code is here, the check collision subroutine. I also did a check game over, so whether you win or you lose, and let me actually show you that pretty soon. Um, Here is all the subroutines, and here's a timer main tick. Um, like I said, it's organized. I like the subroutines, and this is the code for to move the ship. within the client rectangle. Just a lot of calculations that I had to deal with, just to make sure that none of these go out of the client rectangle. And so let me show you what happens when you win the game and when you lose the game. So let's run it one last time. I should have made this faster. But yeah, let's just say I'm shooting some and you know, one of them makes it out here to me and then I lose. Oh snap. Boom, and I lose. Game over. Now, let's see what happens when you win a game. It won't take that long, I promise. Like I told you, I'm a G, right? Totally kidding, totally kidding. So, oh wow, this is hard. Okay, there you go. You have won the game, Ranger. Good fight. Look in the debug folder for your reward. Oh, so I got a reward, did I? Curious to see what that is. So let's go into my debug folder. Sorry it's taking a bit, guys. I should have had this preloaded. Oh, wrong folder. Yep, it's in the bin. Debug. And here is my reward. Congratulations, Ranger. You managed to kill all of the trolls in the universe and saved countless lives. You deserve a cookie, and hands you a cookie. Haha, smiley face. So thank you guys for tuning in and listening to my project and how it works and the code and all that stuff. So I would say good luck to all you Rangers when you play this game. Make sure you save the world, okay? Anyways, thanks guys. I will see you later.